Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to import questions from Quizlet onto Blooket to create sets and games on Blooket, which takes very little time. So let's start. Okay, so when you're logged in on Blooket, go ahead and click on this create button over here to start your new set and give your set a new title. For this video I will be using antonyms as an example. And then you can, if you want, choose a cover image for this set. So you have three options. Today I will be using the image gallery search option. And then because I want to put a question mark as my cover image, I'm just going to search for question mark here and pick one that I like. And then you can change the privacy settings for this set you're creating. You can either make it public or private. I want to go with private. And also here you have two options. You can choose to create your set from scratch, which means you will have to come up with each question and also multiple options for every question you create. Or if you're short in time and short with time and you don't have a lot of time to prep, you just want a quick game, you can always use the Quizlet import option, which works seamlessly, by the way. And then you click on create your set. Okay, in this video I would like to focus on importing from Quizlet, so let's go ahead and do that. Now here, again, I have two options. If I already have a set on Quizlet that I want to use, I can go ahead and click on this one, which would take me to my Quizlet account. Or if I don't have a particular set that I want to use, I can always search Quizlet and look at some other people's creations and pick from one of those. Okay? If you click on next, it just gives you an overview of how to import from Quizlet. So today I will click on this search Quizlet because I want to show you how you can just go on to Quizlet and pick a set. So here, and in this box, I'm gonna type in antonyms and see what sets come up. So here, like in this first set, there are 34 terms, and it's a good amount. 65 would be too much for my purpose. So I click on this one because I will want to make sure that the words are appropriate for my students. So I just review all the words, right? And then once I decide that these words are fine, then I go ahead and click on these three dots over here and choose export. And then a new pop-up window comes up. I click on copy text, which automatically chooses all the text in this box and copies it onto my clipboard. And now I can go back to my Blooket creation and click on next, go over the steps again, but I already know what they are. And now here it says paste and create. So now here I'm going to paste the set I copied off of Quizlet right here. I have one more option here. If I want, I can flip the questions and answers. So like I can, if I choose, put a check mark here, beautiful will become one of the options and ugly will become one of the questions. Okay. And then I say add questions and Blooket does its magic. And now all the questions are imported here. As you can see, I've got 34 questions. It's the same amount of cards that were on this Quizlet set. Now, to make this more appealing and also more helpful for especially English learners, I would like to add pictures for each question. So to do this, I need to click on this edit button and again do a search. If you want, you can always upload your own image, or you can copy and paste any URL for the image you want to paste. So, but today I'm just going to use the gallery search, and then I'm going to search for the word beautiful to see what comes up. Okay, let's see. So let's see, beautiful face, maybe. Okay. So this, this looks really beautiful, this lady. So I'll go with that. And when I am done, If I want, when I'm done with the image, I can also change the time limit that I want my students to spend on. So like right now, the default is 15 seconds for each question. If I want, I can make it less or more. I think this is a fairly easy question, so I reduce the time limit to 10 seconds, and then I click on save. And then I can do the same thing for each and every question I have here in my set. So like for big, again, I click on edit, I go to the image gallery, and then I search for big. To better illustrate it, I'm going to put the word small here. Let's see. Okay, so this looks better, or I can go with this one. Here, I'll go with this one and click on, I'll adjust the time again and click on save. So when I'm done putting pictures for every question, I can just hit scroll up and hit save set to save it into my folder. After saving a set and using it with your learners, you can always come back to the same set to make additions if you want to. So, let's say the first week you had 10 questions in your Blooket set, but then next week you want to add more to that particular set. You can always go back to this set, click on edit, and then say import questions again, and do the same thing over and over again. Okay? I hope this video is helpful to you. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to help you. Have a good day.